Have you ever wondered how massive fleets of trucks with thousands of vehicles manage to deliver goods on time, every time? The secret is getting smarter, and I mean artificially intelligent smarter. Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing fleet management and, most importantly, how it's saving companies a ton of money. Let's start with fuel efficiency. Fuel is one of the biggest expenses in logistics. AI algorithms analyze everything from traffic patterns and weather conditions to the truck's weight and even the driver's habits. It then calculates the absolute most fuel-efficient route. We're not just talking about the shortest path, but the smartest one. This can cut fuel consumption by up to 15%. Imagine the savings when you multiply that across a fleet of thousands of trucks. Next up is maintenance. An unexpected breakdown is a nightmare for any logistics company. It means delays, angry customers, and expensive emergency repairs. AI predictive maintenance changes the game, but by constantly monitoring data from sensors all over the truck, engine temperature, tire pressure, brake, where AI can predict when a part is likely to fail, long before it actually does. This allows companies to schedule maintenance proactively, avoiding costly downtime and extending the life of their vehicles. Then there's safety, which also has a huge financial impact. AI-powered cameras and sensors inside the cab monitor driver behavior. They can detect signs of drowsiness, distraction, or unsafe driving like harsh braking. When the system spots a risk, it sends an alert to both the driver and the fleet manager. This prevents accidents, which not only saves lives, but also avoids massive costs from insurance claims, vehicle repairs, and legal fees. So, what's next? The future is autonomous trucking. While fully driverless trucks on every road are still a way off, AI is paving the way. We're already seeing features like platooning, where a group of trucks drives closely together, led by a human driver to reduce wind resistance and save fuel. Soon, AI will handle most of the long-haul highway driving, allowing human drivers to focus on the complex final-mile delivery. AI isn't just a buzzword in logistics. It's a powerful tool that's making fleet management safer, more efficient, and dramatically more cost-effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the tech that's shaping our world. See you next time.